All right, welcome again. Yeah, we have here iPhone 7. It's all working fine. The only problem of this phone is that I think the audio, the speaker is fine, but uh, every time I call, they cannot hear me. Whether I use the telephone, I'm calling from phone or I'm calling through messenger, they cannot hear me. So I guess there is some problem with the audio, maybe audio IC or something. And this is the common problem of this phone, the iPhone 7 disease. And but we will see what can we do with this phone. If we can manage to fix it without opening the phone, we will see if there is any other work around. Yeah, as you can see, I already uh, restarted. No, I mean I'm already reset it. I already reset the phone, and hopefully this will solve the problem. And let's see, let's check. Hopefully it will solve the problem, and if not, then we will see. Yeah, let's try to call again. Yeah, and here the speaker is grayed out, means I cannot it's still the same as before. It's grayed out, and I know it like this. They cannot hear me what I'm saying, and I also cannot hear them what they are talking about, what they are saying. And let's check the recording, because it's also closely related to audio, but it was still not working. And let's see the if we use Bluetooth, if it's working or not. Let's hope it will work fine with Bluetooth. So if we don't have money to pay for this repair, or we don't dare to use to repair this, to open the phone, then we can use Bluetooth. And let's see here. Yeah, it's connected, and let's try again. Yeah, it's connected. Yeah, the calling is connected to Bluetooth, but the speaker or the volume, the audio, yeah, it's still grayed out. It's not working. Yeah, the speaker, the Bluetooth works fine. Yeah, and yeah, the Bluetooth works fine when I was calling. And let's try the recording. Yeah, it's work also. The recording is also working through Bluetooth, so it means we can still use the phone. We can call, it's no problem, telephone or messenger, but we have to use Bluetooth headset. Yeah, it's a recording. Let's see if it will pick up. Let's hear it. Yeah, we can hear a little bit. Yeah, this button is hot, getting hot here, and let's see how hot it is. Yeah, and the button itself is just about 35 maybe, but if you go a little bit higher in the recording button, there is too hot, it's 50 degrees. Wow, that is really so not normal. It's really so not normal. And the problem of this is always like this, it always, your battery always runs out fast. And yeah, because the battery, they are, with its heat, it's so much battery. Yes. And here is 33, but about a bit higher is 54, 55. Wow, this is very hard. And I don't think, if I don't, I am quite sure that the problem of this is, the problem is only software. The problem of this is really hardware, and this really needs to be opened and and repaired. Yeah, because even if you still use Bluetooth, I think it's still fine. But the problem is your battery. It always drains out battery. Every time you use it, it always, I think, as you can see here is a bit normal, 39, 42, but a bit below you can see it will also a little bit higher also, then it's 51, 53. And yeah, if it's always like this, your battery, I think it will not last hours, it will just last minutes maybe. And then yeah, this is not healthy for the phone. I mean, for temporarily you can use Bluetooth, but if you love your phone, have it repaired or open it and repair it yourself. And next time I will show also how I will repair this phone, and how I change, or maybe I have to check if do I need to change the IC, audio IC, or I don't, maybe there's just some lines there that are not connected. We will see, but I will upload another video for that. And if you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment below, or if you have suggestion, please tell me. I also need to know what else can I do, and if I did something wrong, please tell me, so I will be aware of that also. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, here is still not working. I removed the Bluetooth, and here is not working anymore. So basically, for Bluetooth, if you, I think I will not just use it for temporarily, but have it repaired. Or if not, if you don't care to get rid of this phone, buy a new phone. That's the best way.